long distance hill, three side hill, small and big size hill and attested. It's a very suitable place and high up, no climb up, so it's very terrible and stranger. So I like this up, try up side, but it's no climb up. So one week after try down space from long stays, so it's very dangerous and fall down space. So how this place looking, and two more like, comment, share, give me.